Good morning, guys. So, it's actually, yeah, it's still good morning pala. It's 11:35 a.m. And aalis ako today because pupunta ako sa isang cafe with Donna and Maru kasi doon ako mag-online class. Talk to you guys later na lang kapag nasa SM na ako because pupunta muna ako ng SM. I'm going to meet Maru sa SM Baliwag. Kaya, I'll just talk to you guys later kapag nasa SM Baliwag na ako. Nasabi, ngayon, it's March 24, birthday ng lola ko. It's 12:33 p.m. Dream Dory! Comes with, sige. We're back here sa Sweet Gestures. Tangos? Tangos, Baliwag, Bulacan. If you remember, yung very first vlog na in-upload ko this year, nandito kami ni Ray. Dito yon. Kanina pa to nandito.
Kanina pa ako dito. Actually, yung drink ko, kanina pa to mga 9. Hindi ko pa rin siya ubos hanggang ngayon. Papalpitate na ako. Feeling ko hanggang mamaya ako gising. Promise. Ngayon. Ha? Nursing.
Guys, break time kasi namin. Lagi kasi may ganun sa amin kapag kunwari online class. Parang siguro isang oras muna kayo mag-online class, tapos 10 minutes na break time. I was planning to do a Who Knows Me Better challenge kasi. Kasi technically, pareho ko silang best friends. Nasa isang circle kami. So, gawin na lang natin. Ganito po yung love story namin ni Mar. Basta, friends kami nung high school, tas naging close lang nung senior high.
Alam niyo guys, una kong, hindi ko makakalimutan. Uwian na nun. Tapos, usually kasi kaming, like yung batch namin is close naman. Ganyan, pupuntahan sa mga classrooms, ganyan. Eh, nung time na yun, uwian na. Tapos, pumunta kami dun sa classroom nila. Tapos, cleaner siya nun. Tapos, transfer pa siya nung time na yun. Nilaloko namin yung, like, mga nandun, dun sa classroom nila. Tapos, siya yung ikaw yung naka-atas na magwawalis, diba?
Oo, kasi every time na nag-cleaners kami, gusto ko ako yung nagwawalis. Like, yun yung gusto kong ginagawa.
Yun.
Kasi, meron akong service noon, so gusto ko matapos agad. Kasi bawal umuwi hanggat hindi pa tapos ang linis lahat. Or like,
ayun. Tapos nanggugulo kami dun sa classroom nila. Tapos, itong ate nyo,
uwi-uwi na nga kasi ako, tapos nanggugulo kayo doon.
ay, umupo siya dun sa gilid, oh. Tapos nakaganyan na siya. Yun yung iritang-irita na katrina. Ganun. Tapos, biglang sumigaw na parang, guys, ano yun?
Pwede na po ba kayo umalis? Kasi hindi ko makapag-ulis si Catherine.
Tapos, ako kasi, wala akong pakialam dun. Mukhang kasar kasi ako, guys.
Hindi pa kami close.
Naiirita si Katrina. Ang
Kasi
ginawa ko,
naglilinis kami.
ang ginawa ko nun, ano ba ginawa ko nun? Wala, hindi ko sila pinakinggan.
Oo, nagtumami pa talaga sila doon.
Ano meron?
Hi.
Gusto kasi ako. Yung pamusit pa niya, color yellow ba yun? Parang basta scrunchy, tapos color yellow. Tapos uso pa rin yung sunflower, tapos favorite flower mo pa ng sunflower. Favorite flower may sunflower. May siya, may fixation sa sunflower.
Tinatanong kasi kami. Yung subject kasi namin is teaching profession. Tapos, parang yung subtopic na dinidiscuss is teacher as a counselor. Tapos tinanong kami ng professor namin sa meet na ano ba usually ang image or concept ng mga teacher as a counselor. Kami naman ni Maru. pareho kami ng sinagot. Mas sagot namin is violation card po. Kasi for context, nung high school kasi kami guys, suki kami sa ganito. No, kasi pareho kami ng image or like nung concept na nabuo sa utak namin. Tapos nakakatawa pa kasi at the same time namin sila sa GC 2:20 PM, violation card. Yun lang.
kami, guys.
Guess what? We're free.
May bata sa harap namin. Hindi ko siya mapakita kasi we value the importance of informed consent. Pero ang cute kasi. Na kasi naggaganon si Donna. Gaganon siya. Tapos, ini-imitate siya nung bata. Ganon siya yung close open. Tapos, aya.
Kanina mo daw iiwan yung ano?
Bigat naman. Ha? Ala, masaya. Masaya naman.
Paano yung masaya?
Masaya, umabot ako ng ganitong edad. Oh.
Siyempre, masaya. 18 na si ina.
Yan, naiiyak.
Bihira na kasi yung nakakaedad ng ganyang edad. Napakaswerte natin na naabutan natin si ina ng 80 years old. Ang wish ko sa ina, marami pang birthday ang maranasan niya, maranasan na kasama natin siya. Love na love ka namin.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Lakasan mo naman, di ka...
Yay!
Yan, umaga-umaga. Masang-masa pa yung buhok ko. 7:16 a.m. and
Ako, dumating ako.
7:14 ka dumating.
Start tayo with our attendance first para...
Di ako makapag-vlog, guys. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3. Pa. Isa pa. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2... 14.
Hello. Sir, saan po? Right or left?
Upper right.
Dapat pala sa right. Good thing I brought an extra. Extra ako. Index card. Sulat ko lang yung name ko. Later na lang ako mag-vlog kasi baka bawal.
Ako kan, okay lang. I'll give you my permission. Hi, mga innocent girl na ano ni Kat.
Ayan.
Hi, interview to? Wow! This is Ma'am Criza. Ma'am ni Kat. Hi sa vlog ni Kat. Ay, ang cute talaga. Susundan ako nito? Sumusunod nga siya. Hi! 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 Ako. Hindi mo ako makikita. Ay, nakita mo ako.
Sa mga vlogger. Hi sa vlog ni Kat.
Same tayo!
Same kami! Salamin.
So, feeling mo twin na kayo Kat?
Twin. Parang ano na, mas lamang ako sa kanya.
So, eto, Tuesday today, nandito si Kat. Di ko nasasabihin kung ano ginagawa dito ni Kat. Pinapasaya lang kami ni Kat.
Yes. Bagong hair. Deserve. Ang fake. Wait lang. Oh my God. Di kasi nila alam kung totoo ka sa live.
Okay. Yung mga clips kanina na galing sa nung nasa library ako. For context kasi, nagkaroon kasi ako ng 3 violations sa dress code. Sa dress code lang naman.
And since 3 beses na nga siya, naging major offense na. Sa NU kasi, or at least sa NUB, hindi ko alam, ganun na ba sa ibang campus? Ganun diba, basta sa NU. Base lang sa aking kaalaman po, na kapag nagkaroon ka ng isang major offense, magko-community service ka. Yung community service parang OJT, 200 hours ka. Tapos, napili ko na sa library ako mag-community service para hindi ko maramdaman na nagko-community service ako. Kasi, I'm surrounded by books. Yung mga teachers kanina from the previous clip, yun yung mga staff or teachers sa LRC or sa library ng NUB. Yun lang. And I'm with Tita Lars.
Ano sasabihin ko? So guys, nandito na naman kami sa SB. Siyempre.
Hindi na bago.
Oo nga. Ito pa rin guys, wala namang bago. Tagal. Oh, ang tagal lang niya rin mag-upload.
Sorry ah.
Then, na-busy kasi siya. Tapos ayun, librarian na kasi siya ngayon.
Anong last week? Ano ka ako?
Dancer ka. Madami kasi siyang profession in life. Vlogger, dancer, psychologist. Tapos ngayon, librarian. Tayo niyo kung ano yung next. Ang ganda na. Ano?
Hey, what's up? Hello, everyone. So, wala ako sa school. It's because nag-shift ulit sa remote learning mode yung school ko. It's because of the heat index, kaya nag-suspend ng face-to-face classes yung school ko. And I think yung buong Bulacan din, or at least what I know, is Baliwag. So, kanina meron ako online class from 7 a.m. to, I think, 8:30 or 9 a.m. Hindi ko na yun vinlog because I was really, really sleepy. Pero I still attended my class though. But like, I'm just really not in the mood to vlog that. Kaya ngayon lang ulit ako nag-vlog. Anyway, I also have another online class. Actually, dalawa. Meron akong dalawang online class later from 1 to 3 p.m. and then 3 to 5 p.m. And I also would like to add na hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon, Wednesday, because yun, nag-suspend din ulit because of the heat index. And wala naman akong pasok every Wednesday or wala akong class every Wednesday. So I really had nothing to, vlog except for taking an entire day of rest. Since wala akong ginagawa as of the moment, since yun nga, natapos ko na yung first subject ko na online class, I'm just going to read a book because that's what I have been doing for the entire month. And share ko lang, this is my 6th book this month. So I was able to finish 5 books for the month of March. And I'm going to share it with you guys. Wait, phoning ko lang. I know I said I already finished 5 books, but I only have 4 of the books here with me. Kasi yung isa is, hiniram ko siya sa library. Like, binasa ko siya throughout a certain day na nag-community service ako sa library. Anyway, so here are my books na nabasa ko this month. The first book that I was able to finish this month is Funny Story by Emily Henry. Yung plot nito is pinagpalit ka sa childhood best friend. Yeah, that's the plot. Tapos, very slow burn lang yung trope. And, yeah, ganun yung story niya. And if I would rate this, it's definitely a 3 out of 5 for me. Dito ko na-realize na I'm not really into slow burn. I like reading it, na-enjoy ko siya. It has a lot of funny elements. Pero, medyo na-bored ako nung binasa ko siya because, yun nga, I think slow burn is not my favorite kind of trope. But still a good read. Second book na natapos ko this month is ito, Before the Coffee Gets Cold. And I love this book. It was a really, really light read. Sobrang dali lang niyang basahin. Mabilis ko lang din siyang natapos. And it has a lot of good quotes or lines that you can get from it. Tapos, this book taught me or made me realize how to value the people around you. Like, kung nandiyan pa, you have to make the most out of it. Yun yung natutunan ko or at least na-realize ko after ko matapos basahin yung libro to. So, definitely a 5 out of 5. Yan yung plot ng book na to, Before the Coffee Gets Cold. Basically, you are to visit a cafe if you want to travel back in time. Yun yung plot nito. So, you're given that. Pero, syempre, alongside dun sa pag-travel back in time, is you have to follow certain rules. That's the plot of this book. Going back to Holly Jackson, Reappearance of Rachel Price, I feel like this book is a 4 out of 5 for me. It was a good book. Maganda yung plot niya. Basically, yung plot nito is, there's this girl who had a missing mother for 16 years, tapos bigla na lang siyang lumitaw ulit, which is si Rachel Price. Kaya reappearance siya bigla. Basically, yung ganitong cover niya, it's because the plot also revolves around a documentary about Rachel Price who disappeared for 16 years, tapos bigla siyang bumalik. So, yun, it's a 4 out of 5 for me because it was a good book, but I was able to predict kung ano mangyayari. So, yeah.
And my next read after this one, The Reappearance of Rachel Price, is the second book of Before the Coffee Gets Cold. So I don't have the book with me kasi yun yung time na hiniram ko siya sa library. Binasa ko yung second book nito, which is Tales from the Cafe. It has a yellow cover. And basically, yun pa rin yung plot. You get to travel back in time, but with different characters na. Yun. Also a 5 out of 5 for me. I've been loving that series. Tapos yung pangatlo, I think nasa cart ko na siya. So it's that good. Kapag you know the book or the series is good when you have to buy the next book. And finally, the fifth book that I was able to finish this month is this one. It's a book from Mitch Albom, and it's entitled The Stranger from the Lifeboat. So itong libro na to, I think binili ko lang to last week. So this book, I finished this one in one sitting. Like, binasa ko to for an entire day of, again, you guessed it, duty sa library for my community service. And tapos ito lang yung binabasa ko the entire day. And I was able to finish it. So, this book, yung plot nito, if I'm going to summarize it, Titanic, survivors in a lifeboat, then someone from the ocean joined the people dun sa lifeboat and claims that he is God. So this book basically is all about having faith and believing in God. And that being said, I love this book. It's a 5 out of 5 for me. Sobrang daming good quotes from this one. Plus, nung time na natapos ko to, na-realize ko na I needed this book. I needed this read. Yung current read ko is this one, Don't Be in Love by Liana Sancotti. So, yeah. Thank you so much for listening to my reviews or me yapping about books. I'll read na, guys. Bye-bye.
And last question, what if the parents tend
So personally, I do think that facing challenges when it comes to public speaking is inevitable po. Hindi po talaga siya naiwasan. Like me right now, like I have all eyes on me, I don't know what everyone is thinking. And part talaga yun. And in order to combat that, or para ma-lessen natin yung anxiety or yung kaba na nararamdaman natin, I think it's important that we also have to consider or always remember that we are also humans lang. Tao lang tayo. And when it comes to entering the topic of baka magkamali ako, that's normal. And that's the beauty of life. Pwede tayo magkamali and that we can learn from it. That's called transformative learning.
That your facial expression should support what you're saying. Halimbawa, oh, I'm very happy today. Sasabihin mo, you know guys, I'm very happy today.
Actually, copy paste. Anyway, when it comes to nonverbal communication in the context of public speaking, I always perceive it as a being able to establish the power of trust, because being able to, stand with good posture, maintaining eye contact, or even smiling with your audience, you are able to establish trust. So when it comes to the topic of encountering tough or difficult questions, or let's put it into simple words, question na wala akong masyadong alam. So first of all, personally, this is just my views. Of course, you can totally disagree with it. I have to be honest with it. So for example, let's put it in a realistic and academic setting. Research or defense. The panelists ask you about something about your study that you weren't able to fully research about. So I would say, I'm sorry, I wasn't able to fully grasp the knowledge about this certain topic po. But I will do my best to further understand this topic. So you can always admit that, and there's nothing wrong with it. It's better than pretending, for me. That's just for me. One more thing, I also agree with Danny. So kailangan po natin maging prepared when it comes to serious topics, or even, serious topics in general, mainly because doon po mag-reflect yung preparation mo and yung dedication mo when it comes to what you are doing. So if this person sense or perceive you as someone who is prepared, then you will also be respected, and you can also, again, establish the trust, or you can gain their trust because you know something about this topic. Po of the National Women's Month, it's always a reminder. I think it's always a reminder that babae ka, hindi babae lang. And I think this does not apply for women only, but also for men and all other genders as well. And your voice is actually a powerful tool, and you have the entire world ahead of you, and use that tool to further explain or speak your heart out when it comes to the things that you believe are right, and when it comes to the things that you think is wrong. And when it comes to speaking, it's always a room for improvement and always a room for learning. So always use that tool to empower yourself, not only as a woman, but also as a person in general. But for my message, of course, para po sa mga kapwa ko babae, reminder that we also matter, that we can change things, and that we can also be somehow a pillar of hope or a beacon of identity. Yan po. Thank you.
Sawa po. 1, 2, 3. Last one po. 1, 2, 3.
Hello guys. Hi. Hi. Hi vlog. Time check. It's 4:11.
Ay, ito yung sinasabi ko lagi sa live na kaya ako nakakatapos ng isang libro sa isang araw kasi ganito lang ginagawa ko. Naghihintay ako ng mga students na maglalagay ng bag, kukuha ng bag. Nagulat nga ako. Akala ko kasi bukas pa. Tapos, okay naman. Actually, hindi siya problem sa akin yung magsalita. Talagang nahiya lang ako sa suot ko kasi guys, for context, yung mga kasama ko kanina, mga nakakoot sila. Tapos ako sobrang, talagang nakaset yung araw ko for duty, for aral. Yun lang talaga. Parang gusto kong i-annotate.
Wow!
Hi everyone.
Ay, kala ko ba bodyguard ka?
Guys, so today,
Tapos na ako sa duty, tapos ikaw, anong ginawa mo?
tapos na akong sulat ng permission letter. Yun lang ginawa ko ngayon kasi hindi ko naman kasi alam na written na pala yung yung promissory. So, ayun. Tapos hindi ko na, ang ending, hindi ko na nakabutan yung accounting. So, bukas na lang. Tapos, yun. Bye-bye. Kakain kami.
Saan tayo kakain?
I'm not known.
Okay.
Diba nakita nyo kami sa school kanina? After 10 minutes, diba naglakad kami dito? After 10 minutes, naubos na yung social bath ko. Ang gusto ko na lang gawin is kumain ng baksilog ni Ate Ricas. And soup.
We have baksilog, Ate Ricas, shabu-shabu.
Ano to guys? ASMR. Kung naman ASMR.
5 po. Thank you so much, Mom.
Ay, ang pogi mo naman dito.
Ano to? Ray Carlos takeover. Takeover! Nainis kayo sa mukha. Takamin mo viewers. Okay, okay. Paano yung mukha na nasarapan? Hindi nasarapan sa cake. Takamin mo. Okay.
Thank you po, Direk.
It's
Carpet day.
Outla sarap. Sarap.
Get ready with me for World of Dance.
Love you.